Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. It's a pine rhyme. Come on, wiggle. Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Little P. I'll tell you about the Pine Marten, all about me. I'm cute, furry, about the size of a cat, with a long, slender body. Yeah, I like it like that. Alone, I roam in my territory. An independent woman, live my life in the trees. Got a winter coat to keep me warm, just like you. When my fur molts, I get a summer coat too. Yellow bib up my throat, the rest is brown. My long tail keeps me balanced so I don't fall down. Semi-retractable claws and fur on my soles. I can run up a tree like I was running on a road. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. It's the pine rhyme. Come on, wiggle.
The Pine Marten is an elusive creature.
The queen of hide and seek, I'll always defeat ya. The best around, that's common sense. Trying to find me is gonna test your patience. A many nocturnal nap during the day. I might appear between naps to look for prey. I feast on berries, fruit, small animals too. I like bilberries, but they turn my poop blue. Our young I call kits, they're cute as can be. It takes them 6 months to learn to climb like me. I do the Pine Marten wiggle throughout my day. I stop and shake my behind and continue on my way. Wiggle, wiggle.